Welcome to our tutorial on creating a new subassembly. I'm going to put instances 7, 8, and 9 into a new subassembly. Let's right-click, Extend, and select Form New Subassembly here. The Save As dialog window opens. Let's name it Assembly 2. Save. Here is Assembly 2, and 3 instances of washers appear in that branch. I can dissolve the subassembly in the same way. Right-click, select Dissolve Subassembly. Let's click No. We have our washer instances returned to the main assembly level. If I try to do the same with the first instance of the washer, which we'd previously used to create a pattern, watch what happens. Let's Shift-select all 4 washers. Right-click, create a new subassembly. Let's call it Assemb 3. Click Save. Now I've got a warning message. These features will be deleted. I'm going to cancel out of this. Let's insert a new empty subassembly. It appears right here in our specification tree. Now I can simply grab the component and drag and drop inside the newly created subassembly. Once again, I do need to watch out for the relations that I've created. For example, if I try to grab washer 1 and drag it down, I get a warning message. Let's cancel out of that. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a new subassembly.